Hi guys, it's Tony. I'm going to show you how to basically change a bag on a Henry, and I've been using this for wood shivvings, so it fills up pretty quick. So it's been through here, through there. It's a standard Henry, but I think find it really good. But again, it fills up fast, and these things use bags. So what you got here is it just literally like that. You just push it. You find it might be a bit tight, so take the front off it. Watch that bit there. Just that's it, so that doesn't come down. Check there's no any sawdust in it. Kick that out. As you can see, this is absolutely chock-a-block full of sawdust. So what I'm going to do is push that back in. Simple, just lift it out like that. You can still see all the sawdust chocker and get rid of that. And then you see all the sawdust in there, push it through. This is what happens when you don't empty it enough. Alright, so that's now clear. So let's get a brush round. Right, then just get the next one. You can buy these online for about £3. This is not expensive. Take a bag like that, simply pop it in, just put it through there like so. Okay, I'll show you like that. So that goes in like that. Right. Okay, you can see that. All right, so this bit just mounts on there. Sits on there, the cover goes back in, that goes back on there. The Henry always faces the front. Okay. Make sure that both clips are in, because I've done this where the clips haven't been quite in, or one hasn't, and it's just, this is what happens. It just does this. So both clips in nice and tight. Just get the nozzle, put it back on. This goes on the front of the nose, and then you'll see now there's the nice and clear. And then that, you're good to go. So that's it. Thanks very much guys for watching, and I definitely recommend a Henry if you've got an old one kicking around. They really do make excellent sawdust extractors. So thank you, and I'll catch you in the next one.